Okay, so I'm at Davian's house and she's gonna be beating my face to the gods. These are all her products. She's obsessed with makeup, okay? She lives, breathes, everything makeup. And look at this collection. Look at this collection. Look at this. She doesn't know I'm here, but I'm actually gonna have a sneak peek. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. To the gods. Okay, I can't open this one. I don't know what's in there. And she has all these palettes. Sephora, Morphe, everything. Guys, like, she's lit. She's lit. She's lit. What's this? What's in here? More stuff. Okay, so, but this is what she's gonna use. I don't know what she's gonna do, but she's gonna beat my face to the gods. Let's do it. You all ready? I'm gonna turn this for a second and then we're gonna get ready. We're gonna set up. Let's do it. Get ready with us. So guys, we apologize. We forgot a whole piece that we missed. What did we miss on Davian? The eyebrows?
Yes.
Davian is shy. She doesn't want to talk to you guys. But we missed the eyebrows and how we started this whole look. But hopefully you can catch up and try to recreate it on your own and enjoy. We are so bummed that we missed that whole look. We thought that our camera was on, but unfortunately it was not, and I'm so sorry guys for that. But hopefully you enjoy the rest of this video. Your girl Z, and of course my baby girl Davian, who is so shy to talk, and she's right here next to me. Can you believe it? She's like so quiet right now. It's ridiculous. But anyway, let's get back to this video, okay? Cheers. And unfortunately, that is the end of our video. Please don't forget, you guys, to subscribe, and remember to live well, laugh often, and love more. Your girls in a row. Thank you for watching. Cheers.